Welcome to Showa Technocraft, your trusted testing and repair solutions partner. Wrench. At Showa Technocraft, we are dedicated to providing exceptional testing and repair services to keep your equipment performing at its best. Our skilled team performs detailed diagnostics to accurately detect faults and deliver effective repair solutions, ensuring optimal functionality and long-term reliability. Why choose Showa Technocraft? Precise fault identification. Superior quality repair services. Fast and efficient turnaround. Proven reliability and customer trust. Get in touch with us today for reliable service where excellence meets quality.